Imagine this. You've trusted someone with your heart, only for them to betray you in the most painful way. The trust you once had is shattered, and you're left picking up the pieces of your own heart. It feels like everything you once believed in has crumbled. After betrayal, it feels like the world has shifted. You can no longer trust easily. But healing begins with one thing: acknowledging that the hurt is real. You've been through something unimaginable, but you don't have to stay there. You may be thinking, how do I trust again after such a betrayal? Trust, first and foremost, needs to start with yourself. You must rebuild trust in your own ability to make decisions, to protect your heart, and to move forward without shame. Start small. Set healthy boundaries. Take back your peace, and allow yourself the space to grieve without guilt. It's not about forgetting. It's about reclaiming your power. Forgiveness isn't about excusing the betrayal. It's about freeing yourself from the pain that holds you captive. It's about reclaiming your peace and moving forward, not for the betrayer, but for you. You've taken the first step by allowing yourself to feel. The next step is forgiveness, beginning with yourself. Forgiveness doesn't mean condoning what happened. It means freeing yourself from the emotional grip of betrayal. Each step you take forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Strength doesn't come from never falling. It comes from rising after every fall. Healing isn't a destination. It's a journey. It's messy. It's real. But every day you choose to move forward, you're one step closer to peace. Trusting again takes time, but it starts by trusting yourself first. When you believe in your ability to protect your heart, you open the door to trusting others again. Look at how far you've come. Healing doesn't happen overnight, but every small choice you make to heal, to forgive, and to trust again adds up. Each day is a step toward rebuilding the peace that was lost. Fear and doubt will always try to creep in, but remember, you've faced your darkest moments and survived. You are stronger than your fear. The pain of betrayal will not define you unless you let it. You have the strength to move forward, no matter how difficult. Forgiveness isn't just for the person who hurt you. It's for your peace, your freedom. It's time to let go of the guilt and move forward. You deserve to live without carrying the weight of the past. Letting go of that guilt will free you to embrace your future. The past is over. You cannot change what happened, but you can choose to let it go. Let the past remain behind you and focus on the life you're building today. The future holds endless possibilities, and you are the one who will create that future for yourself. You are stronger than you know. The fact that you're still here, still fighting, shows the depth of your resilience. Every setback, every moment of doubt has only added to your strength and ability to overcome. You are capable of more than you think. If you're ready to take the next step in your healing journey, subscribe now for more empowering insights and practical steps. You don't have to walk this path alone. Join us and let's grow together. Betrayal changes you, but it doesn't have to break you. In fact, it can help you rediscover who you truly are beneath the pain and the scars. You are worthy of love, trust, and peace, just as you are. Let go of the past version of yourself and embrace the new one. True peace comes from within. No one can take that from you. When you've rebuilt your trust and your strength, peace will naturally follow. You are in control of your own emotional landscape. Peace doesn't depend on others. It starts with you. Trusting again doesn't mean rushing back into relationships or situations. It's about giving yourself the time and space to rebuild at your own pace. Trust is earned, but it begins with you trusting yourself again. When you're ready, you'll know it. The fear of rejection can hold you back from opening your heart again, but in reality, rejection is just a redirection. It's not the end, but an opportunity to grow, learn, and protect your heart in healthier ways. Let go of the fear and embrace your authenticity. You don't need to be perfect to be worthy of love, trust, and happiness. Healing doesn't require you to have everything figured out right away. It's okay to stumble. What matters is that you get back up and keep moving forward. Each moment, each decision can be a new beginning. The past doesn't have to define you. You have the power to start again, to choose healing, and to rebuild a life filled with purpose and peace. Every challenge you've faced has built your emotional resilience. You've learned how to weather storms, how to protect your heart, and how to rise each time you fall. You are now stronger than you've ever been. Vulnerability is not weakness. It's a powerful way to connect with others and with yourself. By embracing vulnerability, you open the door to deeper relationships, healing, and authenticity. The pain you've endured doesn't have to be wasted. It can be the catalyst for transformation, growth, and a deeper sense of purpose. Your story has the power to inspire others on their own journey. Living authentically means embracing who you truly are, without fear of judgment or rejection. When you live true to yourself, you'll attract the right people and opportunities into your life. Guilt and shame are heavy weights that can keep you stuck. Let go of the need to punish yourself for what happened. You are not your mistakes. You are worthy of healing and happiness. The future is full of possibilities. You don't have to be afraid of what's next. Embrace the future with confidence, knowing that you have the strength and wisdom to handle whatever comes your way. You are resilient, stronger than you realize. Every challenge you face only adds to your strength and wisdom. Trust that you have what it takes to create a life of peace and fulfillment. Change is inevitable, but it doesn't have to be feared. It's a sign of growth. Embrace change as an opportunity to evolve, learn, and become the person you are meant to be. If you're ready to continue your healing journey, subscribe and join us. This is just the beginning. Let's keep moving forward together. Each step you take is a deliberate one toward your healing. When you move with purpose, you align your actions with your deepest desires, and each day becomes a step closer to the life you've always wanted. The stories you've told yourself about who you are and what you deserve no longer serve you. It's time to rewrite your story, one where you are strong, capable, and deserving of love, trust, and happiness. Healing doesn't happen overnight, but every step forward counts. You're on a path of transformation, and each day brings you closer to the peace and freedom you deserve. Keep moving forward. There's so much waiting for you. You've made it through the hardest part. Now it's time to continue your journey. Subscribe for more, and let's continue moving forward together. Your peace and healing are waiting for you.